Are Lyft drivers required to take pets? Lyft's answer to that question is exceedingly straightforward, yet very deceiving at best. On their website, Lyft notes that passengers may sometimes ask to bring their pets along for a ride, and unless the passenger has a service animal, it's up to the driver to allow the passenger's pet into their car. See, it's pretty straightforward, but here's where the deception starts to creep in. According to the Americans with Disabilities Act, or the ADA, a service animal is defined as a dog that is individually trained to do work or perform a task for a person with disabilities. The ADA makes it legal for service animals to accompany people with disabilities in all areas where members of the public are also allowed to go. As a Lyft driver, guess what? This includes your car. A common rebuttal to this is that Lyft drivers are considered independent contractors and should be able to reject whatever rides they want. While it is true that you are an independent contractor, you still have to follow the law, as Lyft has noted in their training video on service animals.
Lyft drivers like yourself should always accept service animals. It's Lyft's policy and the law.
If a driver refuses a rider because of their service animal, that driver could face immediate and permanent deactivation if an investigation shows that you denied them wrongfully. If you think that a passenger's pet isn't an official service dog and you cancel the ride because of it, if passengers can prove that it is a service dog, you are putting your livelihood at risk. Now, you might be thinking that it's obvious to tell when a service dog is a service dog, but some passengers use service animals for reasons that aren't exactly obvious. And not all service animals wear tags or vests. They come in all shapes and sizes, so do your best. For these reasons, it's best that you accommodate all animals that are reported to you as service dogs, according to Lyft. Now, isn't that convenient? But don't worry, there is a fake solution to this. Lyft provides us with only 2 questions we are allowed to ask. Is the animal required because of a disability? And what work or task has the animal been trained to perform? These are both questions that anyone who has done the minimal amount of research can actually answer successfully. And guess what? There's no official way to prove that that dog is a service dog. I do agree that Lyft drivers need to accommodate passengers with service dogs, but carrying around any kind of dog does have its disadvantages to the driver. Let's not pretend that it doesn't. A driver could be allergic to the dog. The next set of passengers could be allergic to the dogs. The dog could shed all over your car, now you have to stop to clean it and pay someone to clean it. And the dog could even have an accident while you're driving. And despite all of those legitimate concerns, if the dog is a service dog, you won't be provided with any cleaning fee for rides that are missed due to the cleaning or the cost of cleaning itself. And some of that contributes to why your Uber or Lyft is actually statistically more disgusting than your toilet seat, which is the topic of my next video, so make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Peace.